Hello everyone, as you can see we have the Target exclusive R5-P8, and for those of you that do not know who R5-P8 is, that's actually Hondo Ohnaka's droid. So that's why we have Hondo here, and then we have another R5 unit over here as something to compare against. So this is a Target exclusive. It's part of their Galaxy's Edge Trading Outpost series. I hate saying Target exclusive because I just cringe every time I hear it or say it, because of how hard it is typically to get Target exclusives. But this guy was actually extremely easy to get. So you might be able to pick them up pretty easily, unlike some of the other exclusives after they first dropped. Or like the Mandalorian exclusive that I was not able to get my hands on. Now, there were a lot of you because it disappeared in like 30 seconds. All right, enough about that. We are here talking about R5-P8. And as we go through here, if you have any questions, feel free to ask down below. If you're liking the video, give it a thumbs up. That also helps the channel as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at the outside of the box. We're going to go ahead and unbox him, and then we're going to go ahead and see what kind of articulation we can do. He is going to be limited. He is a droid, and I don't believe he comes with any accessories. So what you see is about what we're probably going to get, especially if you're already familiar with those R5 units. But I am excited to take a look at them. I like the fact that I'll be able to more complete my Galaxy's Edge set, which will be pretty awesome. For those of you that do not know, he's actually from the Clone Wars first, and I'll put a picture of him around here. All right. But you will notice that he is definitely different. He doesn't have the blaster on top, because the one at Galaxy's Edge, which I'll now put here, that one does not have a blaster on top. It's definitely more family friendly. So that's what we get. Anyways, so let's go ahead and unbox the R5-P8. So as we do on the channel, actually, before we do that, let's go ahead and take a look at the outside of the box. Sorry about that. So we do get the cool Star Wars Galaxy's Edge Trading Outpost logo there. We've got the nice picture here of R5-P8. Let's go to the side here. We've got the Trading Outpost and R5-P8. And then we've got Foxtrot 1187. We've got the Rebel Alliance symbol there. Going on the back, typical Black Series here, we've got R5-P8. R5-P8 is Hondo Ohnaka's most capable astromech and serves as an automated repair mechanic on Hondo's many starships. This sassy droid calls Hondo out on occasion, always keeping the pirate on his toes. That he does. All right, going along the side, again, standard, and then we are back. All right, so let's go ahead and open him up. As we do on the channel, we typically go from the bottom. It's just easier. Yeah, this has 2 pieces of tape. This has 1. So, and it's usually less fight to get it out. So, usually, but we'll see what happens here. All right. Man, I kind of miss these old boxes. I don't know. Keep going back and forth as to what I like more. All right. He fell out. Anyways, all right, so I'll be right back. We'll go ahead and clean up. I'll put the R5-P8 back on the table, and we'll take a closer look to see how he is. All right, so here we are with R5-P8. We've got him here. I think it's going to be best if I get him closer to you guys. Yeah, he's pretty cool looking. I like having another droid. I'm always happy to have another droid or another stormtrooper. Not going to lie on that. As we turn him around, you can kind of get a closer look at him. You can see it's different than the other R5, but yet still the same, as you would expect. So, all right, I'm not going to do too much with the old R5 unit there. So let's focus on P8 here, Hondo's droid. Let's go ahead and first take care of a couple of things. These guys pop right off. Just like they did on the other units. Most of the other droids will do that as well. We've got wheels on the bottom of the legs here. And if we turn his head, the third wheel pops out. The leg will angle. At least it should. There we go. So you're able to get him rolling around. You know, they do have wheels, but they're not going to go too far on their own, just like the other ones. Bring them back. All right. I do like, just like all the other droids, I do like the wires here. Make sure we're in focus. There we go. The dirt on him is actually really good. Yeah. What else can I say about that? If we open the doors, you'll notice that we've got the arms here, and they actually do pop right into place, which is nice. Get that arm there. Almost there. Almost. I usually use a little tool. There we go. To get it out. But as you can see, arms do come out. Typically on the other droids, I think they're like a black or silver color. So it's nice that these are red to match. Some other detailing here. We've got the silver there. Yeah, my only complaint is that, you know, it is a Target exclusive, and the fact that he doesn't come with anything else, and he's full price. There's nothing else to say about that. That being said, I'm happy to add him to my droid collection and to help complete the collection with Hondo here. So that's great. Yeah, nothing else to say. So anyways, what I'm going to do next is I'm going to take some pictures so you can get a closer look at him standing next to Hondo, and then next to the R5 unit, the other R5 unit as well. If you have any questions, again, I ask you, or I invite you to ask down below, and I'll be right back. All right, so those were just a couple of quick pictures. That way you can see scale-wise how he is up against Hondo there. If you have any other questions, do ask down below. I'll be happy to take pictures, post them to either Twitter or Facebook or Instagram. You can follow me on all of those. So anyways, going back to this guy, yeah, I think he's great. There isn't anything else to add other than what I've already said about the complaints. The other thing I didn't say was about the antenna. The antenna does not go up and down, and it is not removable, so just be careful on that. So with all that being said, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Ask questions down below. If you don't already subscribe to the channel, I do invite you to do so. We do a lot of things on the channel that is Star Wars and Star Wars The Black Series related, but that's not all we do. Just to give you an idea, we do have some upcoming videos coming out. I got another holiday edition Black Series figure, so yep, that's coming out. And we've got another Walt Wars box, we've got a bespoke box, and plenty of other things as well, more crafty related. But typically we do things that a professional geek might find interesting, and that's what we do on this channel. If you consider yourself a professional geek or you like Star Wars, I invite you to subscribe to the channel. And with that, have a great day.